Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study and in our last video we have discussed about the worksheet of chapter number 16, that is the United Nations, and that is part 1. And in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter number 16 also, that is part 2. So student, in this video I am going to discuss about the worksheet, and in worksheet we are going to discuss about the question and answer of the chapter number 16 question, that is exercise 4 and exercise 5. So students, first of all let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 16 once again, because the whole worksheet and whole exercise of this chapter depend upon this chapter. So let's have a quick overview. Chapter name is the United Nations. So student, first of all we should know about what is United Nations and why we form United Nations. What is the motive behind the formation? So students, after the end of the Second World War, the leader of the nations meet to find ways and means to prevent wars in future. Toward this end, on 24th of October 1945, the United Nations organization was formed with 51 member countries. The United Nations organizations was formed with 51 members country. The Charter of the United Nations was drawn up and signed by the members. So student, today the UN has 193 members country, and we celebrate United Nations Day on 24th of October every year. And what is the aim of United Nations? So student, the aim of United Nations are to maintain peace and security around the world, developing friendly relation among countries, promoting social progress, better living standard and human rights, protecting the environment, increasing food production and disaster management, and curbing terrorism. So student, and now there are many structure of the United Nations. There are certain special agencies of the United Nations are discussed in this chapter also. So students, now come on the exercise 4. Come on exercise 4, that is answer the following questions in one or two sentences. It means in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question, and your answer should be in only one or two sentences. So come on the question number 1. When was the United Nations formed and how many members does the UN have at present? So your answer is the United Nations was formed in 24th October 1945, and the UN has 193 members at present. So student, the United Nations have 193 members at present. Now come on the second questions. What is the function of the Secretariat? What is the function of the Secretariat? Your answer is the member of this body carry out the day-to-day work. The member of this body carry out the day-to-day work of the UN. Come on, question number 3. Who is the Secretary General and what is her role? So student, in this question you have to write about who is the Secretary General at present and what is her role. So your answer is Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres is the Secretary General and he is responsible for fulfilling decisions taken by the various organs. The student Antonio Guterres is the Secretary General and he is responsible for the fulfilling decisions taken by the various organs. Now come on the question number 4. Your question number 4 is name the special agencies that work under the EcoShock Economic and Social Council. Full form of EcoShock is Economic and Social Council. Your answer is UNICEF. FAO. UNICEF means United Nations International Children Fund, Food and Agriculture Organization, and United Nations United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations are the special agencies that work under the Economic and Social Council, and you can say EcoShock. So now come on the question number 5. Your question number 5 is what is the function of FAO? FAO means Food and Agriculture Organizations. Your answer is these agencies try to ensure that every person in the world has food to eat. So student, this agency try to ensure that every person in the world has food to eat. So now come on the next exercise, that is exercise 5. Exercise 5 is answer the following questions in a paragraph. It means in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question and your answer should be in a paragraph. So look at the question number 1. Your question number 1 is why was the United Nations formed? So student, why was the United Nations formed? Your answer is after the two World War. World leader formed the United Nations organizations, that is UNO, to bring peace, security to the world. The student, United Nations was formed to bring peace and security to the world. So now come on question number 2. Your question number 2 is what are the aim of the UNs? What are the aims of the United Nations? Your answer is the aims of the United Nations are as follow. First one is maintaining peace and security around the world is also aims of United Nations. Second, developing friendly relations among countries are also aims of United Nations. Third, promoting social progress, better living standards and human rights are also aims of the United Nations. And fourth one is protecting the environment, increasing food production and disaster management are also the aims of the United Nations. So now come on the question number 3. Your question number 3 is write a brief note on the Security Council. It means in this question you have to write about the short note on the Security Council. Your answer is the Security Council maintain international peace and security. It has total 15 members, of which 5 are permanent members: United States of America, United Kingdom, France, Russia and China. Because this country have veto power, this member have the power to veto or overrule any resolution taken by the General Assembly. So now come on question number 4. Your question number 4 is has the UN been a success or a failure? Discuss with the help of example. So students, your answer is the UN has been success because of the following reasons. First one is the UNO, United Nations Organization, has managed to safeguard the world from a third world war. The United Nations has managed the world from a third world war. Second, the UN has been able to free the modern world from colonialism. And third, the UN has fought against illiteracy, hunger, disease, climate change to make this world a better place. So United Nations organization has been success. Now come on the question number 5. Your question number 5 is, what has India's contribution to the United Nations been discussed? Your answer is, India has contributed a large number of troops to UN, United Nations, peacekeeping missions. Our peacekeeping troops have worked in Egypt, Sri Lanka, Haiti, and other places. India also contributes money to the United Nations Fund. So students, I hope you all are understood about the exercise 4 and 5, and you have to done all these exercises in your CW copy of social study, and this is your today's homework. So that's all, and thank you.